Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, The Wealthy Mindset. It's yours truly, Money Making Mitch. And as usual guys, this is not financial advice. Please do your own due diligence and research. The game doesn't stop just because it's a Saturday. People are having anxiety. Some investors in NEO are having some anxiety problems where they're saying that NEO needs to complete F3 factory to keep up with demand for the L90, especially in the ES8 that's coming, also Firefly. Well, these factories now almost online, 1 million, 3 factories now almost online, 1 million units annual capacity unlocked. NEO has reached a major milestone in its production expansion, with all 3 of its manufacturing plants now operational, setting the stage for unprecedented growth in the premium EV market. Buckle up, guys. With the F3 factory preparing to start production next month, the company is poised to leverage its diversified lineup across 3 state-of-the-art facilities, which is like 90% or more automated, collectively boasting an annual capacity of 1 million units. Factory breakdown and production focus. F1, 300,000 units a year, home to NEO's best-selling models. This facility builds the ES6, EC6, flagship ET7, ES7, the highly anticipated Onvo L90, and the upcoming Firefly compact EV designed to capture the mass market. Yes, one factory doing all of that. F2, 300,000 units a year. Focused on performance and innovation, F2 produces the ET5 Touring, EC7, Luxury ET9, Extraterrestrial 9, and all new Onvo L60. Models that are central to NEO's sedan and crossover strategy. F3, kicking off in September 2025. F3 will debut with the NEO G3 and the latest ES8. Industry speculation hints that the ES9 may also join the lineup, further expanding NEO's SUV range next year. With this expanded capacity, NEO is no longer constrained by production bottlenecks. So guys, we just have to have a little patience. We've waited this long. Now the ramp up is starting. The company now has the flexibility to scale rapidly to meet domestic, but more importantly, guys, global demand. Global demand. Aggressively shortened delivery timelines and strategically balanced production between the premium NEO brand and the more affordable Onvo and Firefly lines. This achievement cements NEO's status as one of the EV makers capable of vertically integrating high-volume manufacturing while maintaining a premium user experience through its battery swap network, advanced software, and relentless focus on quality. The road ahead is clear. NEO's 1 million unit production capacity isn't just about numbers. It's about building the capability to dominate multiple market segments. Like we've dominated the high end, now we come in to dominate the sub-brand segment. And we see it already happening with Firefly ramp up, L60 ramp up, L90 is selling like hotbreads, and we can barely keep up. We're running the factory round the clock, and the Chinese are still saying, we want more, we want more. Well, we're going to give you more. From luxury flagships to mainstream family EVs, all while delivering on the brand's promise of innovation without compromise. So as the Chinaman says, we want more cars. We will give you more cars. We will give you technologically advanced cars. So I hope you guys found this video yet again on a Saturday to be informational, inspirational, and motivational. If so, guys, don't forget to hit that thumbs up. It takes a lot of time to do these videos and the editing. And if you haven't yet subscribed, you might want to think about doing so, because in this channel, We are waking up the middle class for the first time to get a major piece of the pie from the ground level up as to how the games are played on Wall Street. And like 50 said, we get rich or we die trying, guys.